In this video, I will guide you how you can fix family share not working in your Steam. So start by opening up your settings, and then you just need to go for the family, and then make sure to enable or disable your family sharing. If you have enabled and it's not working, you need to make sure to first of all disable it and then enable it again. Now next step is you need to simply head over to your library. Once you are in, you just need to click on any game that you are facing a problem in, and if you have the option of manage, you just gonna need to click on it and you will have the option of verify game files. Now let's go for this one as an example and click on properties, click on install files and click on verify integrity of game files. This will ensure that there is no buggy files in your game. At the end, you can run your Steam as an administrator. So simply search for your Steam, go for file location, and again you just need to go for the file location. Once you are in, you need to make sure to right click and run this program as an administrator, or if it is doesn't work, you need to go for compatibility and go for Windows 8 and make sure run this program in compatibility mode 4 is enabled. Hit apply and hit OK and you are good to go. So hope this helped. This is how you can fix Steam family share not working.